Hi, I'm Petersen Pollard and I'm going to show you how I tape my wrist for randori. Everyone tapes their wrist differently. This is just how I like to do it because it gives me the most stability and it's just how I like doing it. So I've got a thicker roll of brown tape. I prefer the brown tapes, it's more sturdy in randori, and also a thin roll. So we need to get 2 pieces, they're for the anchors. So go around the wrist. And then the second anchor just goes around the top of the hand. Again, you don't want to do it too tight, just for this one. So you've got that. And then we're going to try and keep the thumb stable. So I'll get the thinner tape. And if we hold our thumb upwards, because that's sometimes the painful way, which we don't want it to go back, we're going to go in and then wrap it around. And repeat that step, but just going a bit higher up. So round. So it's going to look a bit like that. You can do that one as many times as you want. Often I'll probably do it one more time. So it can't really move that well and it can't be pushed back. And then just for the rest of the hand, I like to also anchor that off. So I'll make small strips. And just put it on top of the top anchor and pull it quite straight down to the bottom one. And the same, but we're going to go diagonally now. So we're going to put it on the top anchor and then pull it quite tight around. And then I do the same on the other side. It's quite heavy duty, but I do quite a lot of grip fighting, so it helps. So we're going to go put it on the top and then anchor it round. And then you can just do one last one over there. Always attach it to the top anchor, the top tape roll, because it will stick, and then pull it down to the bottom one. And so we go there. And then lastly, some people go over it with white tape, or you can just, again with the brown, just go over your 2 anchors, one at the top. So just go back over that to make sure it all sticks. And then also one at the bottom. That's how I tape my wrist to stop it from getting injured or moving too much if I've got pain of it going backwards or anything like that.